Good morning, sir. I'm here to give a brief introduction of our project that is titled Water Level Indicator and Controller. The project is made by our group that includes myself, Tushar Saxena, Tushar Mathur, Varun Mathur, and Udbhav Tripathi. Our guide is Mr. Ravi Kumar Goyal, Assistant Professor in Electronics and Communication Department. So the basic idea behind the project is a system that detects the current level of water in a reservoir or tank that is being used for domestic purpose or industrial purpose or any other purpose, and it also senses when the water level goes down or below a certain level where that is being decided or programmed into the board by the user. And when the water level goes down that level, sends a it sends a kind of alert in the form of a text message or via the mobile phones to the concerned person, warning him or alerting him about the water level going below down that level, so that he can take the appropriate action in forward. And the introduction of our project includes some of the materials which are being used, that is some basic components such as an automatic water pump controller, that will that will include a pump controller circuit, and another one is a water level sensor that would be made by a metal plate that is mounted on the reservoir or the water tank, that will basically detect the level of the water, and a sensor in short to create the top level that would decide the water going down that level which is being programmed, and some of the ground line that connected to the bottom of the reservoirs. Moving forward, we'll discuss some of the materials which are being used for accomplishment of our project. Basically, it would first of all, the most important component would be an Arduino board, and then an ultrasonic sensor, a water pump, some kind of PCB board which is being soldered with electronic components such as a transistor, resistor, capacitor, switch, male female header, LED, wire, and all. So basically these are all the materials which are being used for our project. And now the other aspects of our project, which would include the how it will operate, and the working principle behind it, the codes which are being used or implemented on the Arduino board, how it is programmed. All these will be shared with you by my fellow members of our group that will tell you about all this.
Hello sir, this is Varun Mathur. After the introduction of water level indicator and controller, now I would like to explain the working of water level indicator and controller. So in the working of water level indicator controller, I would like to explain first the block diagram and flow chart. In the block diagram we can see the Arduino board is connected to tank, Arduino board is connected to buzzer, Arduino board is also connected to pump, and Arduino board is connected to liquid crystal display unit. Arduino board is generally used for the decision making. Decision making means the how much the water level in the tank. Digital pin 7 of the Arduino board is generally used to control the buzzer, and digital pin 8 of the Arduino board is generally used to control the motor. So in the next slide we can see the working of water level indicator and controller. So first we start. First check the water in tank. If the tank is empty, then the buzzer will be on. Or if the tank is not empty, then it senses the water level in tank. So after sensing the water level in tank, Arduino is give the decision. Arduino decision means Arduino check the how much water level in tank. If the tank is empty, then motor will be on. Or before motor will be on, Arduino sends information to the controller. Controller is the automatic process. Controller give its information to the motor and motor will be on. Or if the tank is full, then the motor will be off. So in the next slide we can see the hardware design. Hardware design means the manual of the hardware design means the automatic process. In the water level indicator controller, it is an automatic process. It means it reduces the manpower. Hardware design has two main components, sensing level and control level. So the automatic process done by the two levels, sensing and control level. Automatic water level controller has many components. So first we check the sensor unit. The sensor unit assemble consists of 4 aluminum wire arranged at the 1/4, 1/2, 3/4 and full levels in the tank. The dry ends of these wires are connected to analog input pins A1, A2, A3 and A4 of the Arduino respectively. A fifth wire is positioned at the bottom of the tank. Thank you, sir.
Now, I would like to continue with control unit. The basic operation of control unit is the controlling of water pump by an Arduino which is programmed by a particular program. In this, water pump are connected with an output pin of Arduino via a relay circuit which is connected with a transistor. Also, in this circuit we use some buzzers. Buzzers are an electronic device which is used to give alarm sound as it is programmed. Now to see the output we use liquid crystal display, that is LCD. LCD screen is an electronic display module which finds a wide range of applications. A 16x2 LCD display is a very basic module and is very commonly used in various devices and circuit. A 16x2 LED means it can display 16 characters per line, and there are two such lines. In this LCD, each character is displayed in 5x7 pixel matrix. Now this LCD has two registers, namely command and data register. The command register stores the command instructions given to the LCD. Now a command is an instruction given to LCD to do a predefined work. Now as you can see this is the pin layout diagram of liquid crystal display, that is LCD. There are several pins connected to it. Now in this, ground basically refers to zero voltage supply. VCC is supply voltage which is around 4.7 volt to 5.3 volt. Now VEE is the voltage which is used in contrast adjustment of the LCD. Now here RS mean register select. It select command register when low and data register when it is high. Now the next pin is read and write. In this, low refers to write and high refers to read. Write means write to the register and read means read from the register. Now EN means enable input, which is high when negative edge triggered are encountered. Now DB0 to DB7 are 8 data pins which are used to take data to display. At last, LED plus and LED minus are the backlights in which one work at 5 volt and other work at 0 volts. So this is the pin description table.
Good morning, sir. My name is Udbhav Tripathi and I am the fourth member of my group, and I will begin with the simulation process of the entire system. So basically by simulation we mean to approximate the operation of the entire system over the time. So now in this case we are using this Protus software for this purpose, and using this software we can draw a complete circuit for Arduino based system and then test it. So basically what happens that we have already written our program using this Arduino C language, and now with the help of this software we are simulating this program. So let me show you how. So here you can see that this with the help of Protus software we are simulating it. Here on the top left we have this water reservoir, then we have driver, then we have control unit, then here we have display unit, and then finally we have the pump unit. So what actually happens is that this display unit, it basically indicates the level of the water, and according to its indication this pump unit will turn on and off. So this is the basic working of the entire system, that the display unit, it indicates the value, and according to the value this pump unit will turn on and off. So here you can see the Arduino Nano chip. Here I have shown it how it basically looks, and then this is how motor looks like, and finally the conclusion. So this project which we are making, it involves designing and development of automatic water level control system. So in this project we have used advanced sensing technology to detect water level, and through this project we can ensure that we will be able to reduce wastage of water. Thank you.